pinwheels spinning in a gentle breeze, bringing a touch of whimsy and charm to any room. That's the magic of pinwheel quilts. These classic designs have been captivating quilters for generations, and today we're exploring some of the best free pinwheel quilt patterns available. Pinwheel quilt blocks are among the simplest and oldest in the quilting world. Their eye-catching design features triangles arranged to create the illusion of a spinning pinwheel. Perfect for beginners and experienced quilters alike, pinwheel patterns offer endless possibilities for creativity. Let's dive into some standout free patterns. First up is the Jolly Pinwheels Quilt by Andy Knowlton. This vibrant design measures 57 by 63 inches, ideal for a cheerful bed throw or wall hanging. Its bright colors are sure to liven up any space. For those looking for a larger project, consider the Patches and Pinwheels Quilt by Bonnie K. Hunter. At 86 inches square, this intricate design may seem daunting, but a detailed photo tutorial guides you through each step. Scrap lovers will adore the Pinwheel Parade Quilt by Susan Arnold. This 52 by 68 inch quilt is perfect for using up fabric scraps, even tiny pieces. It's a great addition to any rainbow scrap challenge. For a touch of holiday cheer, try the Pinwheel Posies Redwork Color Story. This 53-inch square throw quilt features innovative mini triangles and printed baskets with flowers, making it ideal for festive celebrations. If you're quilting for little ones, the Playtime Pinwheels pattern by Ariga Mahmoudlou is a delightful choice. Measuring 55 by 62 inches, it features pinwheels of varying sizes, arranged in 6 columns and rows. Lastly, for a quick and cozy project, consider Caroline Fairbanks Critchfield's Pinwheel Daydreams Baby Quilt. At 36 by 54 inches, it uses just 3 fabrics to create large, striking pinwheels. Pinwheel quilts offer a perfect blend of simplicity and visual appeal. Whether you're a novice quilter or a seasoned pro, there's a pinwheel pattern waiting for you. So grab your fabric, fire up your sewing machine, and let your creativity spin. Want more pinwheel quilt patterns to make your quilting whirl? Spin on over to ilovequiltingforever.com. Happy quilting!